Welcome to uParts. In this video, we're going to cover the uParts bundle. When you open a bundle, you'll notice that the web page is divided into a few sections. The top section is information in regards to the car and the shop. The next section contains what we call vaults. These are estimates that are automatically or manually generated. The red tables represent parts that have not been assigned to a specific supplier. Parts wrapped in a yellow-green represent parts that have been assigned to a supplier and are ready to be ordered. Think of them as being in a shopping cart. In this example, this fender is ready to be purchased from Keystone in Ontario, California, while this door assembly will be purchased from Lakemore LKQ in Carson. We can change the supplier we want to buy this part from by clicking the arrow down button. Here we will be presented with a few options. First, we can select the supplier type, OEM, aftermarket, recycled, or remanufactured. Then we select the supplier. Your preferred suppliers will always show up first. Finally, you can select your preferred contact. In this case, however, I'm okay with ordering the part from Lakemore LKQ. Let's go ahead and send the order. As you can see, we're ready to send the order to two separate suppliers. Hit OK. You will be redirected to a screen where you can print out your order summary. Once we've ordered our parts, we can now go back to the bundle view. Notice that the parts we ordered are now in different wrappers. These wrappers represent parts that have been ordered. These parts have various states, such as ordered, shipped, received, canceled, etc. Depending on their state, you can take a few actions with the bulk action button on the bottom right hand side of each section.